Hi friends, today I am making this video to give some tips for the first year law students or the students who want to join the law courses from this year. So I have some 3 4 points which I would like to convey to every newcomer. The first one is you must have the good study habit. Why this is important is even I previously how I used to study is studying before one day of exam. Okay, so and I was scoring about 70%. So but when I entered law field, here the subjects are very vast, and you probably may not know which is what examiner is going to ask for. So it is very much important that you study day by day. Okay, and that is why you must have the habit of studying daily, at least for 2 hours daily. Okay, so make this habit, that is very important. And second one is learn new concept related to your field every day. Let's say suppose you watch news. Okay, there you may get some news which are related to the law, so you read those acts. Suppose if one heading is there of drug case, any drug case, then you search what are the laws related to the drug cases. So in this way you have to learn one or another concept every day, because in 3 years course or either 5 years course, there whatever things you learn in academics, that is just for that is not complete. Okay, so I suggest, you search by yourself and you learn new things which is related to your field. And next one is be a good listener. It is very important, because there are so many law students, they while taking admission they think that they are good in arguing, so they think they can become a good lawyer, but it's not the case in everybody, with everybody, because arguing is one thing, but more I feel that a good listener can become a good lawyer. It is just because of this is the field where nothing is particularly fixed. Okay, everything you have to learn, small small things you have to take care while you are arguing, or while you are studying law. So those times it will help you your listening quality, because there are so many legends are there. Okay, you will get in your college also, you'll get so many wise students who know better than you. Okay, but until and unless you have that listening capacity, how can you will gain that knowledge? Okay, so that is why it is most important. And I feel that, like, whenever you get a chance to listen someone, listen them, no matter how boring it is, but try to listen, so it will increase your listening capacity. And the next one is the main thing of this video is to improve English. Okay, so because some of you may be coming in the law field with the dreams of practicing in high court or supreme court, their English is important. Okay, sometimes people or the students who come from the regional mediums, they feel that English is not for them. So when you are in law field and when you feel like this, English is not for you, then you may be confined to the district courts only. So uh, except that you have 5 years of time or 3 years of time, start learning English. The English only comes with speaking practice, so you do that and consistently do that. And even I also doing the same thing every day. Whoever know the from your friends list, who knows English well, you just converse with them. Okay, no matter what mistakes you do while talking with them, everything can be corrected once you started speaking. So English is very important, so you focus on this factor. And the next some small tips which I would like to give based on my experience is that see, when you are in law school, that time among your friends, don't argue with anyone, okay? Because sometimes your friends may discuss about particular thing, okay? Or they sometimes students groups they arrange the debate competitions, okay? Don't try to correct others, okay? And unnecessarily you will get into the altercations, okay? Tell everyone that you are great, okay? And simply listen everyone, and don't get into the any altercation with anyone, because next 5 years or 3 years you are going to be with them, okay? Once your relations get worse, then yeah, most probably you may feel underrated, okay? So take care of it. And next is to respect your seniors, because seniors are those who have already faced the problems which you are going to face in your life and the academics, okay? So if you have a good relations with your seniors, obviously you can take help of them and they can help you, okay? Not just in academics. If tomorrow you go and practice in any court, that time also you need seniors. So always respect them and learn new things from them. And if you are addressing them respectfully, obviously one day they will be going to share you something which you don't know. So that thing you must take in consideration, and take benefit of your seniors, okay? If you have any queries, do ask them, do discuss any query related which is ongoing in news. So you discuss them, understand the law perspectives of those things. You can do this healthy discussions with your seniors, so don't lose seniors. And next is respect sorry the next is do participations in the cultural activities or the other events which happens in your college, okay? So many colleges, they arrange one or another activities in every week, okay? So do take participation in that, and learn new things, acquire new skills, okay? It will help you in making yourself a better lawyer for tomorrow. And one more, the last suggestion is that don't think that you are the only intelligent in this world. Sometimes some students, they consider themselves as a center of universe. That ego that ego keeps a person away from learning. So my suggestion is, instead of considering ourselves something very superior, keep that attitude aside and keep a good learning attitude, so that you can learn things from others which you don't know. And this is only, we feel that we know everything, but we don't know anything, okay? So we have to learn from someone or someone else. So always keep a learning attitude. It will help you in building your career very well, and this through your complete lifelong it will be helpful, being good listener or being a good learner, okay? Always help you. So keep the learning attitude, okay? And this is the small video, and this is what I want to convey. Thank you for watching this.